I chose this degree program because I feel like I'm really passionate about solving real-world problems through an engineering aspect. And I believe that this university provides a hands-on and lots of global opportunities to develop both practical and technical skills.
For me, content was everything I was looking for. With the diversified environment, projects and opportunities with reputed companies made it even more enthusiastic than it already was.
You can choose your own study path according to your interest. And during your profiling study, you can choose between variety of courses, you can choose the one that actually interests you, which can lead to the future career you're thinking of.
I believe that there is a lot of opportunities to be collaborative, and not only within a student setting, but to even ask my professors just questions, and that they get to deal with hands-on projects with us and we get to collaborate with them.
HAMK has definitely improved my team working skills, presentation skills, even networking skills, and as far as giving a variety for me to explore my interests, I've been very satisfied with that, and I feel like the right skills I need, especially in my career choices, will be given to me by the time I leave here.